are you guys doing? I'm doing great, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about my plants. So I have a few plants, so just take a look. So this is the first plant. It's a jade plant. So this is an indoor plant. You can't plant it outside. You can't keep it outside in the sun for long. This tolerates about 3 to 4 hours of sun. That's it. And it has really tiny leaves, and if it falls down the leaves will break. So you have to be very careful with this plant, and it propagates also very easily. So this is a nice plant to have. This costs you around 200 to 300. I got it for like 220 rupees. So yeah, this is a jade plant. I don't know what is this plant called, but it has red flowers and it blooms really well, but right now it's not blooming. Maybe I need to add some fertilizer to it, but when I add it, I think it will bloom. It's a really pretty plant. This is a rubber plant, and I got this recently. I got it for around 250 rupees again. This is an indoor plant. It does not bloom any flowers, but you need to water it once in 3 to 4 days, or you can even water it around 5 to 10 days, like once in 5 to 10 days. It's a great plant and it looks very pretty, and look at the leaves, guys. They look so shiny. It's a really pretty plant to have in your collection, guys. This is a Dieffenbachia. It's a nice plant to have, and the leaves grow really fast in this plant. It's an indoor plant as well, but it grows outdoor also. And the leaves come out really quickly, and within 5 to 10 days you'll have about 3 to 4 new leaves. So it's a nice plant to have if you want greenery quickly. So yeah, that's Dieffenbachia for you. And this is a spider plant. This is a spider plant, guys. I got it for around 200 rupees, I guess. And it's a really pretty plant. As you can see, the leaves are really unique, and you need to remove any browning leaves like this. I did not remove mine in the last 10-15 days, but otherwise I had to remove all the browning leaves like this. You can water it in once in 3 to 5 days. It brightens up small spaces really well, guys, and you can also propagate it very easily. This is a Philodendron Burl Marx. So these are the new leaves coming, so pretty. They're so waxy and shiny. The leaves are so nice. It belongs to Philodendron family. It's called Burl Marx, and it's a creeper, so it needs support. That is why I have the moss stick here. The moss stick ensures that the leaves grow in proportion to the size of the plant, and it's a really nice plant to brighten your space, guys. It's a really aesthetic plant. The leaves are so pretty. They are in heart shape, and it looks so beautiful. This is one of my most favorite plants, guys, and the leaves grow really fast even on this plant. And this is a palm areca. This is a palm plant, and here you can see there are new baby leaves growing. It's a very pretty plant to have indoors, and this plant also gives you oxygen in closed spaces. So if you feel suffocated in your room, you can have a few of these plants. They're so good. If you have 4 palm arecas in a room, they give you enough oxygen. They give you good amount of oxygen for you to breathe. So this is palm areca for you guys. And here are some snake plants and crotons. So these are 3 snake plants here, and even snake plants work well for giving oxygen. They're really good for giving oxygen, and they also take very less effort. I've posted in my old previous video about snake plants benefits. They hardly require care, guys. They will just live. They will just grow irrespective of what you do. So yeah, these are snake plants for you, and these are crotons. These are called Callium variegatum or Cadium variegatum. I'm not really sure of the name, but these require regular water. Like, you have to water them once in 2-3 days, otherwise they will wilt. And yeah, the leaves are not in green color. They're colored in yellow and red colors. So these make a really interesting. They bring about nice, interesting, colorful features to your room. So yeah, they're nice. And these two are crotons too. I'm not aware of their names, but yeah, even these require water regularly. And this is a neon pothos. It belongs to the money plant family. It gets its name from the color of its leaf. It's in neon green, so that is why it's called neon pothos. It brightens up places really quickly, guys, and it's such a beautiful plant to have. There are money plants that don't have this bright color and this color. So yeah, this is a great plant to have. and this is a Palm Areca again, guys. So now we'll move to the plants in my room. Chalo. So I don't have a lot of variety of plants in my room. In my room I have snake plant. I have two kinds of snake plant. This is the Sansevieria, and I have a smaller breed of snake plant. These snake plants grow only of a really small height. They don't grow a lot. So this is one kind of snake plant, and this is another kind of snake plant that I have. I propagated one snake plant from many plants, and you can see the snake plants here. I'm propagating a few of them. So yeah, I mostly have snake plants in my room, and I have marble pothos in my room mostly, and I've propagated all of these from just one plant. So here is a pothos, here is a pothos, here is a pothos, that's a pothos again. Yeah, so here I have marble and golden pothos, and I have a couple of succulents also in my room. I don't know their names, but I really feel that growing succulents is hard because they die very quickly. It's already wilting here, and I don't know what to do about it. If you guys have any tips, please let me know. But yeah, these are some succulents, and again here are some pothos that I'm propagating. Yes. Here is another pothos, guys. So I mostly have pothos in my bedroom. They're very hassle-free plants. They don't require much attention. They grow very quickly in any kind of environment. So yeah, pothos are my favorite plants, as you can see. So yeah, guys, these are my plants. Let me know how you find them, and if you have any tips, please suggest. And if you want to know more about plants, please let me know. Until next time, bye guys.